Which word is most different in meaning than the other words? A. Personate. B. Possess. C. Impersonate. D. Masquerade. Or E. Pose. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that a common thread between them is acting like someone or something else. Personate, impersonate, masquerade, and pose all share this common denominator. Regarding impersonate, although the prefix im usually means not, as we see in impossible, impatient, and immoral, in this case it's an exception to the rule, and personate and impersonate are actually synonyms. The word that sticks out is possess, having nothing to do with this theme. Based on this, we can mark B, possess, as our final answer, as it's most different in meaning than the other words.